guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to review another CAF Rom, and you guys already know about CAF Rom. Actually CAF Rom always is stable and their sources are always stable, but they're a little bit slow in updating their sources, but always stable. So this is the Xdroid Rom. Now let me show you from the setting, and you guys can see a totally different user interface here, and the about section is on the top, and you guys can see here this is XD, that means Xdroid. So here is the Redmi 7 and chipset, GPU, every hardware information and the software information is available there. And this is of course Android 11, and soon I will review one Android 12 ROM, and which is Octavia OS, and stay connected so that you guys can watch that later. And this is the information actually we have for Redmi 7, and here you go. Here is the account sections, you guys can add, no problem. And here is identify music around you. If you want to turn on that feature, you guys can enjoy this, no problem. And here we have the internet section, and let me show you what we have. We have Wi-Fi calling here and VoLTE, you guys can see, and here you guys can see the Wi-Fi calling, and all those things are really pretty much fine, and all those are working, no issues on that. But carrier video calling is not available right now, and in connectivity we have these things. And in display setting we have dark theme, and which is working pretty much fine, and brightness, adaptive brightness, everything is just working pretty much fine. And I'm really sorry for the noises, so just please adjust for a while. And you guys can see display size and font size, and double tap the gesture is working pretty much fine. Actually all the features working fine, as it is a stable ROM. Now let me talk about battery, and battery backup is really cool, and I checked, but I forgot to take screenshots, so that's why I am just telling you guys. Battery backup is really good, and I got 0% battery drain. I stopped using at night, and the next day in the morning I checked, 0% battery drain. So you guys will get better battery backup, and if you keep using, then you guys can easily get more battery backup, no issues on that. And on the sound section, as usual, what we have, all those features you guys already know about that, and live captions, all those things are working, no issues. And you guys can turn off dial pad tones, screen sounds, whatever you want. And here is the app sections, and you guys can whatever you want. If you want to install or you want to clear data, you guys can do from here easily. And we have finally security. On security system we have the fingerprint, face unlock, and app locker, and all those things are working pretty much fine. And fingerprint is one tap unlock, just one tap unlock, which is really fast. And accessibility we have as usual, we always had, and you guys can combine audio by turning on the mono audio, it's your choice. And digital well-being and parental control. And I just want to clear you guys, this is not a gaming ROM actually. This is a stable ROM for daily use, and if you want some performances like RAM management, better RAM management, and multitasking, you guys can easily do, no issues on that. And we have here Google and other settings. You guys can enable gestures, and we have by default Gboard, and this is not a vanilla version, this is a GApps build, so you guys don't need to worry about any Google Play Store issue. Here you guys can see the gesture, and you guys can change the gesture bar length easily, no issues. You guys already know about that, I already showed that in so many videos. And now let's talk about some basic things, which is CPU throttling and Geekbench score. And let me show you the Geekbench score here. So here is the history, I already checked that, and you guys can see, which is really cool, 270 in single core, which is really good and better than any Android 11, I can say. And after that we have the CPU throttling, and which is also better than the earlier ROMs I reviewed, and which is 77%. I ran it for 5 minutes, so this is really cool, no problem on that. And after that let me show you the status bar, which is really cool, and I customized it as I wanted. Actually, you guys can do it as you want, as you wish. And night light is working, you guys can see, and screen recorder also working, no issues. And if you guys want to test, then you guys can test, no problem. And everything just goes well here. And flashlight, airplane mode, everything, and location is working pretty much fine. And dark mode, screencast also working, as I know, that's why I'm telling you. So you guys can easily use that one. And if you want a custom ROM and you don't want play games, and if you want to play games like Free Fire and lower graphics kind of game, you guys can easily play, no issues on that. And if you want to play Call of Duty like BGMI or PUBG, then you guys can't play properly. You guys can play a game, but the smoothness is not available in that ROM as well. And but the RAM management and other things are really cool, and you guys can easily use that ROM, no issues on that. And home settings, we have those things, which is all the ROM we have, and everything is just working pretty much fine. I didn't get any single bug. So, and by default we have safety net pass. Let me show that. So here is that, you guys can see. So safety net is passed by default out of the box, so no issues. And let me show you the RAM management. It's really cool. I opened all those things a few minutes back, but it's still working pretty much fine without any issue. And here you go, I already opened all those things previously, and this is really cool. It's working pretty much fine, and RAM management is really cool. And you guys can see it's really smooth and far better than other ROMs like my previous videos. So you guys can use that ROM if you want in your daily life, so no issues on that. So hope you guys understand the video, and I will make another video very soon about Android 12 OctaviaOS. So stay connected, and if you are new, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you already subscribed, then thank you so much.